Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna try to restore this Mirada Stocker. Not really, that one is too far gone. We're gonna be working with this one, which it's not looking that good. I already restored this windshield, so most likely I'm gonna be using this one. Definitely try to bring that one back. So I'm gonna have my my helpers, my assistants, open this up and get it ready for paint. Nice and polished, ready for paint. It's about as good as it's gonna get. Here is the base. Ready for new wheels. Check it out. Spectraflame Gold. Kind of looks kind of. This one is a metallic gold. Similar but not the same. Now for the surprise water slides. Check it out. Chewy Drag Team, custom made. This is based on the funny card with the same logos, Chewy Dream Team. Put up a picture so you can see it. I still have to clear coat it, so I gotta wait. And I'll see you at the finish line. Alright, so here you have the before. Let's see the finished product. And here it is. So I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking that wheel is too big. But let me show you something. Get this out of the way. Here's a gold Hot One wheel. They are the same size. So these wheels are not completely perfect. Let me see if I find it. So the dimple, you can see the dimple there. That one. That one. See that? The dimple is strong on that one. I'm probably gonna have to, I'll try it out first, right? I'll sand it next, and then if I don't like the way it runs, I guess I'll have to open this one. The axle looks like it might be a little crooked, but I think I could fix it. Solid on this one. Do a base, no, I'm gonna have to, yeah, do a base swap, take the axle off, fix them, glue them back, or we have over here greebles. I don't know if greebles might have some good wheels. Yeah. I don't think they're wide enough, the axle. But that's something that I'm gonna have to test in the future. The Chewy Drag Team. If anybody has that funny car, let me know. We got TH custom made water slides by my assistants. Let me know down below, what do you think? Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss this puppy racing. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but if you're customizing one of these cars, or a Fairmont, or the Buick, right? And when you glue the axle back in, you see that it's running on 3 wheels. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So when you're drilling the car open, if you don't do it correctly and you pry with a flat tip screwdriver, you run the risk of bending the base, which is something easier to do with a plastic base, but it could happen with a metal base car. If you are sure that you did not do that, the base might be bent when they did the rivets. So the way I fix that is, so let me see. So this is the front, right? So let's say this wheel is up in the air and it's not touching. So what I would do is, on a metal base car, just to make sure, I have to bring this side down. So I will grab it here and just give it a little tug, and you're gonna see that it's gonna go back to normal. I had to do that with this one. It has been open. The axles are glued down and the wheels are lightly sanded, because they did have a big nasty dimple. But the star of the show is this one. Thank you for watching. Look, that's touching. Thank you for watching. Peace out.